Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study Earth and beyond. Earth is our planet and beyond here is a Milky Way as well as so many galaxies. They enlighten our planet. They make another word of study. There is a star as well as planet in our solar system. We can observe red is sun and 8 planets are here, and their names are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Look at the sizes. They have different sizes and they are in this arrangement. They are revolving around the sun in a specific manner, in a specific orbit, and they shows an example of discipline of the nature. Mercury is closest to the sun, and Venus is the hottest star. Earth is the only planet where we live, and first 4 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the rocky planet. They are made with different type of rocks. And Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the gaseous planet. They are made up of gases. Some of the planets have ring around them like the Saturn. Some of the largest planet is Jupiter, and it is made with 75% of the gases. And the only planet where life is possible is Earth. On the Earth, plants provide oxygen as well as the water, and they make the life possible. All the planets, they are rotating around the sun in a circular path that is known as the orbit, and they are showing the good example of discipline. Sun is in the middle. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are revolving, and they are in the specific orbit. Why? Because they have some specific gravitational force that stick to them in their specific orbit. And remember this thing, at first there were 9 planets. Pluto is now no more planet, although it is revolving. It is known as the dwarf planet. And remember this thing, all the planets are stick in the specific path due to the gravitational force. Whenever there is fluctuation in their mass, the gravitational force changes, and it is that planet or that specific body or that star will swallow in the black hole. And on the day of judgment, what will happen? The whole you can say the whole discipline will be diminished in a minute. Why? Because the masses of the planet will be changed with the after hearing the echo, and they will the masses will be changed, and the gravitational force will be changed, and they will be swallowed in the black hole, as we can observe, or the research is going on related to that. As we know that all the planets are revolving in their specific orbit. They are spinning. Our Earth is spinning like this merry-go-round swing. And Earth is how Earth moves. Look, here is a boy and he is holding a globe and he is moving it. This is called rotation, and this is called the Earth is revolving around the sun in the specific orbit. And in the same manner, look at it, all the four are all the four that are revolving around the sun, they are the pictures of our earth. But in the earth, what is this? That is a pole, and it is inserted from north towards the south. It shows that the earth is revolving around its axis as well as surrounding around the sun. Whenever it is revolving around its axis, day and night are formed. Whatever the part of the earth that is facing the sun is day, and away from the sun is night. And whenever it is rotating around the sun, whenever the earth is away from the sun, then the cold weather is or winter season appear. Whenever it is very near to sun, uh, hotness, or we can say temperature rises and summer is observed. Whenever they are at the moderate position, autumn and winter appear. Look at it. As we know that earth is a sphere, it is a sphere, then how can we walk on it? We cannot fall on the surface of the earth. Either we are on the top of the earth. Look at the last picture. This is the spherical shape of the earth. How do we walk on it? How do we survive on it? Because the earth has a gravitational force. It pulls all the objects towards its center. That's why we feel that we walk on the flat surface like all the remaining pictures. Although the earth is a spherical, it is a sphere, but we cannot fall on the surface of the earth. Either we are on the top, or we are at the side, or we are at the bottom. But we observe we are pulled by the gravitational force towards its center. That's why we feel that we walk on the flat surface. Whenever the earth rotate around the sun, or first whenever the earth is rotating around its axis, then day and night observe. Whenever the earth rotate around the sun, seasons are formed. That winter season whenever sun is away, summer season whenever sun is near, and spring and autumn observed whenever sun are at the moderate position. Okay, it means that whenever the earth is rotating around its axis, we observe day and night. It shows around its axis, it shows with the help of pole. And whenever it revolves around the sun in an orbit, seasons are formed, and seasons are helpful for the plant, or for the plants growth, for the crops. And remember this thing, in older time when there was no clock, the people they study the time with the help of shadow. That if the shadow is longer in the morning or shorter in the afternoon or evening, longer shadow, with the help of shadow they study the time, they study the part of the day, and they continue their work during the daytime. They perform their different duties. Then they invent a sundial time clock. They inserted a pole, and in the with the shadow of that pole, they study the time. Then they invented the mechanical clock that study the time, and that help us to find out that how much time does the earth take to revolves around its axis. That is 24 hours it takes to revolves around its axis. And The earth takes 365, 1 upon 4 days, to take one rotation around the sun. Look at this picture again. In this picture, whenever the earth is rotating around its axis, it takes 24 hours. Whenever the earth is, and day and night, observe, and whenever the earth is rotating around the sun, it takes 365, 1 upon 4 days, to take one rotation around the sun, and that is 1 year time. And we study that time with the help of mechanical clock. Remember this thing. We get information with our observation, with our daily life examples, and different concepts are made. Different concepts, they relate with each other and they apply, and we create something new. So try to explore your own world with the help of observation, with the help of different experimentation, application, and create something new that benefit your world, your society, your country. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.